What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick video. This time we have one of my favorite DJ devices that we always use on this channel for any piece of DJ equipment that we usually stick with. They're called the Decksavers. And today we have the Decksavers for the RANE 72 Mixer, and we also have another Decksaver that is for the Maschine MK3. So every time we keep any piece of DJ equipment around here, as you guys can see in the background, we always have a Decksaver. For this case here, it's the turntable Decksaver. We also have one here for the Pioneer DJM S9. And anything else we keep in the lab here, we always get a Decksaver because they make it for every single DJ equipment piece that you guys can come and think of. They have the digital DJ controller, deck protectors. They also have the Decksavers for all of your different keyboards that are out there on the market. They have deck protectors for all of the different mixers that are out there on the market. So no matter what you have or what you may need, they always got you covered with a Decksaver. No pun intended. So what they are really strong polycarbonate covers, and they're very sturdy. So not only can you use these covers while the device is in transportation, that way you can throw a cover over it and then put it inside of a bag. You can also use these covers perfectly when you're using these for storage situations, when you want to store them. You don't want everything collapsing on top of your piece. And they're also perfect for when you guys are doing your gigs, maybe live out there somewhere. You need to hit the bathroom for a couple minutes while you have a track playing on your turntables, your mixer, or one of your DJ controllers. You can put this right on top of any device that you're using, and you can still use that device while it's still playing. Your trackers will still play underneath, and everything will still work just as you need. Then you can come back and you can remove the covers. So we're going to unbox these covers really quickly so you can see what they look like fresh out of the package. They always are mold fitted right to the device that you're trying to cover up. And here we go, the product for the Maschine MK3. Hopefully this fits perfectly. As you can see, it's a nice clear cover. It's a little smoked, so it's a little darker than what you guys see. And it fits right on top of the device like a glove. Once you have it down, it's very easy to move, very easy to transport. Everything is fully protected on the face of the unit. And this is perfect for when you want to throw your gear into a DJ bag as well to give it that extra protection. And let's try the case for, or the Decksaver for the RANE 72. Again, they're polycarbonate covers. They're very strong. I've never seen one crack before. And there we have it. It fits right onto the mixer like a glove. Nice fit and finish all the way around, as we've always come to expect from the Decksavers product. So for more on these products, you guys can head on over to www.decksaver.com. You can head over there to see if your favorite piece of DJ or production equipment is covered by the Decksavers. And if they are, then it's a small investment to make. They're between the prices of about $50 to $80 to cover any of your devices out there. So make sure you guys check them out if you need protection like the Decksavers can offer. Also, head up to the website www.djbooth.net/DJS, so that way you can go to the DJ equipment section and you can see all our other previous videos on the Decksavers to see exactly what we covered here in the DJ lab. So if you guys like videos like this, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that way you know exactly when new videos like this are coming out in the future. And as always, thanks for watching.